Now I will just share with you a strategy for 3 minutes per trade. We will not use heavy indicators, we will use just one indicator in our comprehensive trading strategy and a trading bot. Let's go. The very first thing I need to do is choose a currency pair that has good normal movement. Accordingly, there I can earn. Next, I will show you how to fully set up the chart to open trades as safely as possible for 3 minutes. But I will say right away with the booster bot, this is all very safely, and let's look at an example of a 3-minute trade. First, I choose a currency pair, then I go to the booster bot, select the same currency pair and the time for the trade. 3 minutes. These are the basic settings for the trade. I receive a sell signal and open a sell trade right from here. And now I just have to wait for this trade to close and observe it. And I get the first profit in the form of $900. Not a bad job. And now let's look at the indicator settings and the chart settings. And if you want to join us for personal mentorship and guidance, where we share our experience, conduct trading sessions, and earn with the elite members of our community, then get in touch with the support account. Do you want to become an elite member? The link to the support account will be in the description in the pinned comment. Elite membership members earn more than $5,000 a week, so if you want to join them, then contact the support account saying that you want to become an elite member. The link is waiting for you in the description and in the pinned comment. The very first thing we need to do is set 30-second candles. This will make entry points easier for us. The next thing we need to do is add the RSI indicator. We add this indicator and set the settings to a period of 20. Our indicator is set up and now we can work with you. The most important thing to know is that when the RSI indicator is outside the working zone, we do not open trades. When it is at the bottom, in the middle, or at the top, then we can work. But when it is above the value of 70 or below 30, then we do not open our trades. And let's look at an example with the updated settings. I choose the currency pair Australian dollar, Swiss franc. I go back to the booster bot, select the same currency pair and set the trade time to 3 minutes. And I receive a signal for selling, and right from here I open a sell trade because the RSI indicator is in the central zone. Accordingly, the trade is very safe and you can safely observe the result. This trade surprisingly closes at break-even. This is a very rare occurrence, especially on 3 minutes. It can happen on 1 minute, but on 3 it is very unusual. This means that I neither lost my money nor earned any, just broke even, and I received a refund. Alright, I choose another currency pair with better movement, in order to have more volatility and for the price to make a larger movement. For 3 minutes, I choose the currency pair US dollar Japanese yen. And I receive a sell signal. Right from here I open a sell trade. The RSI indicator is in the lower zone, so it's safe to open trades. Once again, if you see that the RSI indicator value is at the top or bottom, specifically below 30 and above 70, then indeed we do not open these trades. We only work within the range from 30 to 70, and then we confidently open our trades. A great trade brings me a good profit. As you can see with this strategy, you can simply open your trades when all factors align, and it's preferable to find currency pairs with good movement. This means you need to choose currency pairs that are actively moving either up or down. If you see that the currency pair is stagnant, it will be like my previous trade. The price will just close at 0, and that will be quite unpleasant. This means that at the moment we lack the volume to move either up or down. Let's look at another example. Here, for example, as I mentioned, the Australian Canadian dollar. We skip it as the movement is stagnant, which doesn't suit us. I choose the next currency pair, Euro dollar, switch to the booster bot, select the same currency pair and the time for the trade. I receive a buy signal, great, and I open a buy trade right from here. As you can see, the RSI indicator is in the upper zone. It hasn't exited the working range, so it's safe to open your trade. Especially after such a correction, the price should rise. And this trade brings me an excellent profit. As you can see, this strategy is really very safe and works very well. You just need to choose a good currency pair and open a trade for 3 minutes. And the most important thing is that these are very safe trades. And by the way, the statistics, the booster bot, it works best on 3-minute trades. Performs. And once again, I remind you to activate this bot, you just need to go to the description right now, find the link to the booster bot and simply activate it. Activation will take literally 10 minutes. All useful links are in the description and in the pinned comment. That's all I have for today. See you soon!